hard work pays off may best describe Mary Kathryn Steele. Growing up in Mississippi, a well-earned Coca-Cola scholarship made the dream of college come true, and she chose Samford. A graduate from Howard College of Arts and Sciences, Steele's involvement in service didn't go unnoticed. In 2007, she was honored as Omicron Delta Kappa's National Student of the Year. An award-winning public affairs professional living in Washington, D.C., Steele's career stops include Coca-Cola, FTI Consulting, Sanofi, and AbbVie, a Fortune 100 global biopharmaceutical company. Once serving on the Howard College of Arts and Sciences Advisory Board, Steele is currently a member of the Forever Samford campaign cabinet, most recently raising money for the Daniel House renovation. Mary Kathryn Steele, 2020's Outstanding Young Alumna.